Okay, here's the assembly jig I made. This is the microwave transformer I'm purely using for weight, and it's literally a piece of MDF glued onto a piece of pine, I think that is. It's a softwood anyway, and a couple of odd bits of wood glued onto that. The only screws in it are the clamping screws for clamping the cells in place to hold them steady. This piece of card is purely there because I found that some cells have thicker plastic. I thought they were bulging, but they're not. Some of them have thicker plastic around them, and it does make a difference. So that piece of card holds them in place, and then I just get the screwdriver and go to the wood on that one, and then I use this one for the actual clamping, and when it starts to bind I know that they're all clamped in there. And what we'll be doing is I should be using a Dremel, because I found that the best thing, with a sandpaper tool on it. As ever, I'm always ready with one of these sandpaper tools on, and all I do is I first of all clean it that way, and then I go and clean it that way. I found that that is the best way to clean all the muck off the contacts and off the negative side. Then by using some no clean flux, liquid no clean flux off eBay, it's quite cheap. You can get a 35 milliliter bottle for next to nothing, but it's very, very, very good. My friend Patrick in Ireland swears by it. Does a lot of swearing. No, he doesn't. So yeah, I then use the pipette. I don't dunk it in, suck it all up, I just suck a little bit up. And I'll show you this on video anyway. And then I put some solder on, then I prepare the cables, and I solder the cables on. And in the bottom of this I've got a cutout so that when I turn this over, the cable can stick out the bottom without being trapped. And I shall also show you the slight modification I do to the insulator strips to give me a bigger area of the positive terminal to play with. Okay, so there's the jig. Oh, and the microwave oven transformer sits on there so that I can work away and not have it dancing all over the work surface.